Hi, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful ring. It's really pretty. I'm going to be selling the PDFs. I'm going to have the kits available in these 4 different colors. I am going to be selling these rings. So if you are interested in buying the ring already made, just go to MarielBeadsandBeyond.com and they'll be posted. If you wanted to make your own ring, I'm gonna have the kits available and the PDFs if you have the materials. I am really happy with this design, so I hope you guys like it as well. Let's get started. The list of materials is going to be in the description box. And remember, all the materials I use, they're going to be available at MarielBeadsandBeyond.com. Thread your needle and you are going to pick up 16 11/0. Bring them down and we are going to leave like 6 inches tail. And we are going to sew through the first 4. We are going to square stitch a row, pick up 1 11 and sew through the 11 that our thread is exiting from. And we are going to sew back through the 11 that we just add. We are going to pick up 1 11 and we are going to sew through the next 11 . And we are going to sew back through the 11 that we just add. Pick up 1 11 and sew through the next 11 . And sew back through the 11 that we just add. Pick up 1 11, sew through the next 11 . We are going to sew down through the 11 that we just add. Sew down through the first 4 11s . And we are going to sew through 4 more . And we are going to repeat these steps 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. We want to build another column on top of the first one. So these are going to be our base beads. So we want to have 4 sides like this one. For me, it's easy to flip, so I'm going to be flipping my work. It's up to you. Pick up 1. And we are going to sew back through the 11 that we just add. We are going to pick up 1 11 and we are going to sew through the next 11 . And we are going to sew back through the 11 that we just add. pick up 111 and sew through the next 11 and sew back through the 11 that we just add. Pick up 111, sew through the next 11, we are going to sew down through the 11 that we just add, sew down through the 4 11s, and we are going to sew through 4 more. Go ahead and continue all around, and I'll be right back to show you the next step. We're gonna sew down we are going to reverse direction, and we are going to sew through the first 3 on the second row that we added. Pick up our 6mm pearl. We are going to sew through the second seed bead on the opposite row, and we are going to sew through 2 11s. Our thread is exiting from this one right here, okay? So we have 4 up here. We are going to skip the first one, and we are going to sew through 2. We are going to sew back through the pearl. When we started, we were exiting from this seed bead. We are going to skip the first one, and we are going to sew through 2. We are going to go ahead and reinforce. So sew back through the pearl. Through the 2 11s. Back to the pearl. And through the last 3. This is what you should have. We are going to sew in a reverse direction through the 4 seed beads under, and we are going to continue all the way around and then back through these 4. We are going to reverse direction and sew through these 4. We are going to go ahead and make 2 more rows of a square stitch. Pick up 1, sew through the 11, pick up 1 11, sew through the last 11, sew through the 11 we just added, sew back through the previous 4, and sew back through the 4 we just added. We have 4 rows of 11 O's. Now we're gonna add 1 row of 15 O's. We are going to sew through the first 4 and sew back through the 4 that we just add. We are going to pick up 111. We are going to skip 2 15s and we are going to sew back through those 2 15s. Sew back through the 11 that you just add. We are going to pick up an 11. We are going to sew back in a reverse direction through 2 15s. We are going to sew through the 11 we just add. We are going to reverse direction and sew through the 4 15s. And we are going to sew through the 2 that we just add. We are going to continue working on square stitch until we get the length that we need for a ring. And I'll be right back to show you the next step. With the tail, we are going to repeat the same steps that we just made right here, and I'll be right back to show you the next step. To close a ring band, our thread is exiting from the top of the 11 on this side. We want to make sure our work is not twisted, and we are going to sew down through the first 11 across. We are going to sew back through the first one. We are going to reverse directions and sew through the 2 11s on the other side. Sew back through 1 and then back through the 1 that we were exiting from. We are going to reinforce. We are going to sew down through the 4 15s. And up through the 4 11s. This is what you're gonna have. We are going to pick up 1 11-0, 1 Montee, and 1 11-0. Our thread is exiting from this seed bead. Up here we are going to skip 1, 2, and we are going to sew through the 4 row of 11s. We are going to pick up 1 11 and we are going to sew through the Montee. Pick up 1 11 and sew through the first column where we exited from. Sew through the first 11 that we add. Pick up 1/15 and sew through the Montee. Pick up 1/15 and sew through the 11. Sew through the 4 11s. Sew up through the 11. Pick up 1/15, sew through the Montee. Pick up 1/15, sew through the 11. And right now we are going to sew through the 4 rows. Continue through 4. And up through 4. The ones on top. Pick up 2 11/0s, 1/15 and 2 11/0s. And we are going to sew through the 4 on the other side. Pull. Pick up 2 11s, 1/15, 2 11s, and sew through the 4 on the other side and reinforce several times. Sew down through the 4, under, continue through 4 more, and we are in position to add our other Montee. So go ahead and repeat the same steps, and I'll be right back to show you my ring. I'm done with my video. I hope you guys like it and it was easy to follow along. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, share them with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Also remember, the kits, the PDFs, and also the rings are going to be available at MarielBeadsandBeyond.com. Thank you. See you soon.